I remember when Mr. Mande kicked down Ninja Man on stage. And then I called. I'm going now. Then I pull. Then I look at me and said, you have to pick up this man's career because Jamaica will kill him. And me I said, all right, don't worry about it. We can't find everyone on the stage. You when you come on and say, Beenie man, you're king for your banner to your mother belly. And my stage in the pan.
Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome dancehall lovers. So Beenie man can't take the pressure from no more. Beenie man want to know to leave him alone. The boss come to clear the ear pan everything, no holding back. So Beenie man explain what happened at Boom Sundays when him play the Vybz Kartel this song and the crowd never did a give it no forward. Beenie man say yo, nothing no go so. A 4 times the song play and a 2 money pull up. Beenie man even explain the video where we see a circulate where his wife gave Boom Boom some money for no play this song. Well, him explain all of that. Beenie man say yo, he want the bloggers them put more respect on him name cause him can't take it no more and he no like the narrative where the bloggers them paint on him. Beenie say yo, him always a get a fight. The boss say him a get a fight from my 5 years old. So when you tell me what you think about that part there. Well, him explain how him save Vybz Kartel career after the little altercation where Vybz Kartel did kick down Ninja Man and the people them did a turn against Vybz Kartel. Beenie man say him did very implemental in a helping Vybz Kartel to get back in career on track. Beenie say yo, him a go always be the one king and true king. You see it, him boss already and that nah go ever change. He nah go ever stop eating food. Right, so Beenie man say yo, him they even interested in the clash, but since Vybz Kartel did come out and make a video say yo, him they in no war with nobody, a love and unity and family, he say and money. Beenie man say yo, when that look stupid for release that clash song. You see it where uno make sense, that make him look like a clown, so that's why him and him wife and him managers then come together and say yo, make we just dismiss that song there. In summary, the boss say yo, just leave me alone, come off of my name, stop talking about me. Just make me do what I do. Make me do music cause nobody can ever stop that. So, I'm gonna watch the video. You give me your take on the whole situation. You see it. You think Beenie man get pressured too much by dancehall or you think a Beenie man caused this on himself?
Alright. I have some things I'm come to address. All of my fans and well wishers, I just want to talk to them for a minute. About 2 weeks ago, I went to Boom Sundays and then I dance and thing. I walk past and boom, I say, DJ, I left sir, boom sir. Go up on stage, so, you know, I come from foreign and I go back a foreign. So I chapter 1 lyrics, so boom, I say, hold on, I have a song for premiere. So the way boom said that, no, I don't know, because I don't give him a song. Palm and I give him a song. Wife not give him a song, so I don't know which song he play. So I actually play the song, me get the song, but the song go good. Because the partner sang and I said, the man is real, my car. Boom man said, open them over there, attack, and pull up. And go, so boom man, chop back the song again, and the next part, I said, bap, that I want more dead from over, port. And man, I said, and pull up the song again, and 2 other people come down, money pull up. So the song play about 4 times, so I walk out of the dance. The next day, you know, me say, me embarrass myself, come and play a song and song flap. How that man premiere a song for me, a grand spend, with Pop Slave, or Boom Boom. And me not get no forward. If they will premiere me 8-year-old song, the place about same way. Because that is grand spend, it's our place. Next thing, if me I go release a class song, I go release a song and I do on the rhythm. But the man come out and say, I am not into no lyrical argument with nobody. So me that look like a fool if me I come out with a war song, don't it? So me and my management team come together, and my wife come together and say, alright, we don't want to hear that song there again. So, we want to go road, get $2 million, say, for give the street. So she have an opportunity to stop the song from play, because she don't want to hear it. So, that's what she do. Man, them come out and say, she pay for Kartel song full of lies. You stop it, man. Because you see me, certain individuals, you have to know how to deal with them. And you have to know, so when you're a warrior, you're a warrior. I'm a warrior, I know that. Because I've been there, done that, now I wear the t-shirt. You see it? Another thing, what happened now? A lot of things are going on and I talk about this, I talk about that, I talk about this and I talk about that. Listen to me, I say, you see me? I am not here to war with no man. Because me and being a man, me work hard to build this. Me fight hard to kick off the international load that dancehall artists can become international. Ask anyone who's really a dancehall artist. Ask anyone. See? So I don't want nobody to go around and call up my name the wrong way, because when it comes to disrespect, I'm not going to deal with that. Because I'm not disrespect no man. I don't want no people to call up my name and say, me a argue and me a this and this petty and this and that. Because when somebody message me, them not petty, but when me come and defend myself, me petty. That don't make no sense. Me just want people to know, say I'm here working, making my money, make sure say my family alright, and make sure say everything good. And you have to know these things. So when you see me come live, don't come live. See it? This is how we talk. You have to know, say, the life of me is not an easy life, because I've been getting fights since I was 5 years of age. Now, I do this thing named Drink Champ the other day. Why do you think the show named Drink Champ? You're supposed to drink. Guess what? I never know. I water me a drink on the show. That you never know. So every time I see them say, take a drink, a water. Take a drink, a water. The last two drink come pour the back where they're on the table is water. Then I say, me look drunk. Me a liar. You have to stop it, man. Because all you know do a cloud. And the man now ride from my back go nowhere. You can't stop it. Let me tell you, the blackers them are against me. You don't stop it. Because you know you disrespect and I don't know if you do with it. Stop come sit down for my name like back pocket work. Me I beg you no please, me I beg the item. Just leave me alone. I've done so many things at this music right here, which is dancehall music. See, alright. I remember when Mr. Mande kicked down Ninja Man on stage, and then I called him. I'm a governor, then I pull. Then I look at me and say, you have to pick up this man's career because Jamaica will kill him. And I say, alright, don't worry about it. I can't put everyone on the stage. Even when you come on and say, Beenie man, you're a king for your banner to your mother belly. And my stage in the pan. And everything up on the internet you can see it. Every time you see me and him on my stage in the pan, because somebody asked me not to leave him alone. He work on the stage till the next year and get a show for himself. We go to New York, we go up on the stage, the people them don't want to hear him. We go up on the stage and make the people them know say my DJ. Make him chat and the people them listen to him. Alright? When the man said the individual in a war from rescue, me can't know that. And I'm going to the DJ, so why should I bad man this man? Why should I fight against this man? See it? Me, I have everything in me. I work for it. It's not like you sit down and say, alright, may I go for that, may I go for this, and may I go for that. I work for it. Everything where you see me gain in music, I go for it. Work hard for it. 11 DJ of the year, oh God, how many things that I have achieved in music is because I work hard. So, I don't want some look man go out and sit down for my name like I can done my career. I cannot even touch my career because I'm done name being a man already. I cannot bust again. I just listen if you know. All I can do is get a next number one. Now all I can do is get a next award, because all I'm going to do is do it again. So please, see, I beg the idea. Leave me name, man. I am not back pocket rap. I am Beenie man. And there's one me, one king, one and only. And this is what I try to tell you. This is no, don't take this as no mistake. Blaggers, stop disrespect me. Put some respect on my name. Me I tell you no. Me I beg you no. Me I ask you no. Me I tell you no. Put some respect on my name. So to all my fans out there, who know what it is to be me and know how long I've been here doing this music, show them who it is. Show them who I am. Show them what we can do. Because we are powerful and we are strong. And we are strong all over the world. Not one place, not two places, not three places, not only in our diaspora where we live in, but around the world. I've been there, done that. Toured the world 2 times. Been there, done that. So, when I talk, bloggers, please, watch how I talk. I'm not going to say about me. Because me this. My first Billboard song was World Dance. Second one was Girl Them Sugar. I what the fact, I get 2 songs from one rhythm. Girls Them Sugar and Roll Me. Then since I go so poof, and not the mouth. Then before that it was, I will do anything just for you. It's like everything will just tear down the world. Me go send the best specialist, Billboard. Me produce it, Billboard. So this is what I'm telling you. When you not talk about me, talk about me with respect. Do not disrespect me, because I not disrespect no man. Because when the artist come out and say, even though I don't worry nobody, so I decide not to put out the Clash song, because that look foolish. Because if one come out and say I'm not worried, the way I worried them for, it doesn't make no sense. So that song wasn't a Clash song. So I stop, clothe, stop, tell lies. So please, me a beg you, stop clothe for my name, because I'm not right for my background. I want to stop it. Please, me a beg the idea. Just please, let us just relax and make some money out of dancehall music. Because every man they have to do the same thing. The big every man can get the moon slice. Me can't get yours, you can't get mine. Mine is mine. So, you're not going to kick off my door, because that can't happen. You're not going to chop off my head, because that can't happen. Them can't jape me up and box me up. True, that can't happen. Them a cloud. Stop cloud for me, please. Me a beg them. So all of my fans, them, tell them to stop. That's all me a telling them to do. Just tell them to stop. Because only I'm my only defense. And me am my only defender. See? So from me stand firm, we'll just stand firm. Because just watch them. Because what them try to do, it don't make no sense. Because you can't stop this non-tall whatsoever. You can't want to try. You can't stop me.